The next problem is to show that the locus of the point which moves such that the distance from its the difference from its distance from two fixed points is a constant is a hyperbola. Okay, so you are given two fixed points and a constant distance. The two fixed points will be the foci, that will be AE 0 and minus AE 0, and let us consider any point on the hyperbola. So let me call it as the point xy. Now we need to show that the difference between these distances from xy യും a യും തമ്മിലുള്ള distance. Okay, so we need to show that the locus of the point which moves such that the difference of its distances from two fixed points is constant. So we need to show that the locus of all points xy such that the difference of the distances from xy to AE and xy to minus AE 0 that is equal to constant will form a hyperbola. So these are the two fixed points, and let us take the fixed distance to be 2a. Okay, so let the fixed points be AE 0 and minus AE 0, and the constant be a. Then if this is S dash and S, and if this is the point P, then the distance PS dash minus P, this is S, so PS minus PS dash is equal to 2a. So now let us write the distance PS. So that will be root of x minus AE whole square plus y square minus you will have x plus AE whole square plus y square equal to 2a. Now let me take the second term to the right side. So you will get root of x minus AE whole square plus y square equal to 2a, root of x plus AE whole square plus y square. So upon squaring on both sides you will get, so squaring, so you will get x minus AE whole square plus y square equal to 4a square plus 4a root of x plus AE whole square plus y square plus x plus AE whole square plus y square. And now square root വരുന്ന term മാത്രം ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് എടുക്കുക, ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം left side ലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരിക. Okay, so here you have a minus b. അപ്പം y square രണ്ട് സൈഡിലും ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. Then a minus b whole square minus a plus b whole square, that will be equal to minus 4ae വരും. Okay, minus 4ae x വരും. So on the left side you will get minus 4aex, then minus 4a square also will come to the left side. So on the right side you will have 4a root of x plus ae whole square plus y square. Ni 4a cancel out, 4a cancel akka, so that will give minus ex minus a equal to root of x plus ae whole square plus y square. Now upon squaring you will get x square e square plus a square plus 2aex. So that will be equal to x square plus 2aex plus a square e square plus y square. 2aex will cancel off. So this is what you are going to get. So x square e square minus 1 ഇനി y square right side ലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരിക, left side ലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരിക. അപ്പോൾ minus y square, this will be equal to a square e square minus a square. So that is going to give x square e square minus 1 by a square into e square minus 1 minus y square by a square into e square minus 1 equal to 1. So that is x square by a square minus y square by a square into e square minus 1 equal to 1. So you put b square equal to a square into e square minus 1. So that gives x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So that is the required locus, which you can see is a hyperbola. Next problem is to show that the locus of the point of intersection of the lines x minus y equal to at and x plus y equal to a by t, where t is a variable parameter, is a rectangular hyperbola. So we need to show that ഈ രണ്ട് ലൈൻസിന്റെയും point of intersection the locus rectangular hyperbola ആണെന്ന് കാണിക്കണം. So the equation of rectangular hyperbola is x square minus y square equal to a square. So we are interested in the point of intersection of these two lines. So let us take alpha beta to be the point of intersection. So our aim is to show that alpha beta rectangular hyperbola equation satisfy ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് കാണിക്കണം. So that is alpha square minus beta square must be equal to a square. So let alpha beta be the point of intersection of the lines. So you have xy minus at, x minus y equal to at and x plus y equal to a by t. Then therefore alpha minus beta point of intersection ആയതുകൊണ്ട് അത് രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷനും സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യും. So alpha minus beta will be equal to at and alpha plus beta will be equal to a by t. So multiplying these equations, so we will get alpha square minus beta square equal to, so when you multiply you will get a square. So you have alpha square minus beta square equal to a square. So hence the locus of points alpha beta is x square minus y square equal to a square. So which is the equation of a rectangular hyperbola. So therefore when you take the locus of points of intersection, you are going to get a rectangular hyperbola.